My name is Jeff Butler. I'm the Tech and Engineering Department Chair here at John Jay High School.
My name is Paul David and I am a technology teacher at John Jay High School in Wappingers Falls.
My name is James Amadio Sr. I'm a physics teacher here at John Jay, and I also teach the Project Lead the Way Principles of Engineering course in the Technology Department.
My name is William Roos and I am a technology teacher at John Jay High School.
The Tech and Engineering program at John Jay High School is a program that allows students to solve problems creatively while using a hands-on approach.
We have the engineering classes, which is also known as the Project Lead the Way classes. We have the computer design classes, which include our video production, audio production, graphic design, print, and web design and animation classes.
And in addition, we have a partnership with Project Lead the Way and RIT so that we can get college credits in engineering-related courses.
Our department gives students the ability to do problem solving. We teach them skills that would help them achieve a result that they normally wouldn't be able to achieve without our skill sets.
Everything we do is what you come in contact with on a daily basis. If you live in a house, you have outlets, you have plumbing, you got water in, you got water out. It's not just what we do in the classroom, it's what you actually do in life, and we take that and teach you how to do it so you can be successful outside of the classroom.
The fact that our students are getting skills that they can use, transferable skills, even if it's not in a situation like the sort of lab or hands-on activity that we're doing. These are all common skills that can be used in a number of different professions.
I always tell my students that when they take tech and engineering classes, they learn skills that make them employable. They learn skills that they're going to list on their resume, on their job application. Just some of the software that we use as well helps prepare students for college and even to the real world. Not only is it the software and the computers that we get to use, but actually creating products. So when we design something on a computer, then taking it to the next step and making a t-shirt. Maybe it's using the 3D printers and making some type of 3D printed model. Maybe it's using some of the laser engravers, the laser cutters, the plasma machine. So it's actually taking a design, developing it, and then actually making it and manufacturing. That's one of my favorite parts about the program.
I went to high school here at John Jay, and when I was a freshman, school was never really my thing. Until my freshman year, I took technology classes. I took the metal shop and the wood shop, and I fell in love. I found my passion, my drive in life was to become a craftsman. And when I realized how much I loved that, I looked for an opportunity to do that where I had a life that was of quality.
No one is in the technology courses unless they want to be there. And that makes a huge difference. It really does.
My name is Brianna Call. I'm in 12th grade.
My name is Lindsay Lokema. I'm in 11th grade.
Francesca Oliva, 10th grade.
My name is Grace Testa and I am in 12th grade.
The tech classes really interested me because I see it as something worth pursuing as a career. A lot of kids don't realize these classes even exist, you know. You talk about it to people and they're like, what's that class? And I'm like, oh, it's just down in the tech wing. No one comes down here, you know, but the program's great and there's a lot of opportunities, especially for careers.
I chose to be involved in this program because it seemed like really fun, honestly. And I've taken a few of Mr. Butler's classes before, and he seems like a very good teacher, and he is.
I always liked to do hands-on stuff when I was a kid, and I saw that my brother really enjoyed it, so that's what made me want to do it.
I thought it was a great opportunity to learn something new, something that I haven't even tried before, and it was kind of always a passion, like graphic design and that type of thing. My favorite part of the program is how much freedom that you have to create whatever you really want to create. You can really bring all of your favorite hobbies and ideas. Like I've done projects based off of things in my own life, and then I get to take them home, and it's really cool to like have that physical object of creativity that you've made using one of the programs.
What I've learned during my program is how to like really focus on how a video works, and now like watching movies and like watching TV shows, I can really like focus in on the things that Mr. Butler's teaching me in the class. It's really cool to hear all that.
Definitely the hands-on part with like all the tech and the engineering. It's fun to like, I guess, create and like make something, you know, like and say like, yeah, I made that. It's cool.
For incoming students, I'd say give it a try. You know, you don't know if you'll like the class until you try it, and what's the worst case scenario? You know it's not for you and you can just eliminate as an option, or you'll end up really liking it.
My advice for incoming students would probably be to just be as creative as possible and bring all ideas that you have to the table, because it can really result in something super cool. And if there's something that you really want to do, bring it up and try and make it come and be a reality.
I would definitely say to take all the classes because it's really worthwhile, and it's good to have the opportunities here in high school. You know, 'cause, you know, when you get to college, some kids didn't have these opportunities, but like I got all of them, so it's like I'm way more prepared.
I think the program offers a lot of life skills that you won't learn in other classes, and that you can really apply to like jobs and your resume and all types of things like that.
If you just need an elective, I'd say definitely go to the tech and engineering, because you might not know what could inspire you for a major in college or anything like that.
Just in general, it's really an awesome program to invest your time in and just allow you to be your most creative self.
My name is Andrew Lopret. I graduated John Jay High School in 2016, and right now I'm currently at New Paltz in the DMJ major, so that's the Digital Media Journalism and Production major.
Hi, my name is Casey Silvestri. I'm from Fishkill, New York, and I'm a 2013 graduate of John Jay High School. I now live and work in Washington, D.C., where I serve as the Washington Post Instagram video producer and editor, and I also spent several years at NBC News as a field producer.
The experience in the program definitely helped me outside of high school because it helped me know what I wanted to do in life. When I got out of high school, I was kind of really confused when I went into college. So I was thinking, okay, what was a class in high school that I really, really liked? And I thought back, okay, wait, comm systems was probably my favorite class in high school. That class was the one thing that I really liked doing. Like I truly liked that. I really got into it, being behind the camera and working on the computer on Final Cut Pro editing videos. So I'm wondering if there's a major based on that class. And it turns out there was, and it was called the DMJ major, the Digital Media Production and Journalism major. So that was definitely a way that the tech and engineering program helped me, because it taught me what I wanted to do in my life.
This program helped me immensely outside of high school because I went into college and my internships already knowing how to produce, shoot, and edit a video with industry standard software. My favorite part of the program was the creativity it provided. All of the assignments were open-ended and allowed me to explore all kinds of video storytelling. For example, for one of my favorite videos, I got to use stop motion to animate my socks, which might sound silly, but it was really key to growing my versatile skill set to see how I wanted to tell stories.
I'm interning for EC Media Group, so that's a media company in Middletown. They do advertising. I'm also interning for the Maya Gold Foundation, so I'm doing video editing for them. I'm basically a videographer for them, and I make videos for the Maya Gold Foundation.
Once I was done taking communication systems, I started getting video and photo gigs that then helped me land paid opportunities once I got to college and started having internships. All the skills that you learn in a course like communication systems will really help you in basically any career path, because so many of those jobs require a solid foundation in communications.
The tech program, there's so many different options, from doing metalwork to wood shop to comm systems, photography. There's just so many options, so you might not find what you want to do right away, but if you keep in all those classes and you keep taking tech courses, you're guaranteed to find something that you want to do.
It's so important to take advantage of opportunities like the tech and engineering program because it can help you prepare for school, for college, a trade, your career, or even a side hustle. I know for me, it launched me on a path to become a strong candidate for jobs at major media companies like NBC News and the Washington Post. And I'm really grateful that my career as a journalist and a video producer started in the hallways of John Jay High School.
Having a student have an idea in their head, and then when they are able to create that idea, they have that eureka aha moment. It's giving them the ability to achieve that. I feel great satisfaction when I see students feel that they achieved something. That's my favorite thing about the course.
We truly have a class for everybody, no matter what your passion is, what you're into. there's definitely a class that will help you become a better student and give you transferable skills to other classes, to any college major. We really want you to come down and take a look at what we have to offer down here.